Hey guys, it's your girl JC, Jamila, whatever you want to call me, whatever you can pronounce. Welcome to my channel. You guys, this is my first tutorial and I'm excited. So the girls were asking how I achieved this curly look, and I'm honestly here to put you on. So it's like day 2 here. I just go to sleep in a ponytail and then I let it down in the morning, comb it out just so that it gives like a wavy kind of look. It's still giving if you're looking for a more messy curly look, but today I'm going to show you guys how I achieved the look in this live. I'm going to show you guys how I did it. So let's get into it. I'm going to do a couple slow-mos, then we're going to fast forward it to the end product. So you can do it 2 ways. For my girls who don't like to use heat, I got y'all with another tutorial for flexi rods. But today, because we're on a little bit of a time crunch, we're going to use my handy dandy curling wand, you guys. This is top tier. I think I paid $25, and that was how long ago? I think I was still in high school. I think I was in high school, which was 2013. So the product speaks for itself. It is a Remington curling wand. I believe this might be 1/2 inch to 1 inch. You can do probably 1 inch to 1.5, but I wouldn't go bigger than that just because the type of curls we are trying to achieve is a little bit tighter. It's really easy, really simple, quick. I could do this in 30 minutes and be on my way. But yeah, so let's hop right into it. So what we're gonna do, take your scrunchie. I have mad hair. I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all have a lot of hair as well. My hair is blown out and straightened. Now it's not straightened to bone straight, but it is straightened and blown out just so that I can comb through my hair more and that it gives like a bouncy look. I believe you can do it with natural hair, like if you just blow it out. I would definitely blow it out. I believe you can do that just blown out, but because of the look I want to achieve, I absolutely straightened it, and I use my Baby Bliss straightener. You can use whatever you like. So yeah, we're gonna take a piece of this hair. You know, you're gonna section off your hair, and the back, you don't gotta be perfect with it, you know? Like, you can just take it bigger chunks and just do it that way, just so the ends are curly, not more so. The front is where the front and the top of the head is where we really got to make sure curls are hidden. So you literally just take a piece of the hair. This is closer to the front, so we are definitely going to make sure this curl is popping. So what you're gonna do is literally take your curling wand. Mine's is set to 380 degrees. I like it hot because the curls are tighter. What you'll do, put the curling wand literally on top of the hair closer to the root. Then you're gonna twist around, push up, twist around, and pinch the hair so that it's kind of tight. Twist, be careful, don't burn yourself. Now, if you got a cute little glove, go ahead. I do not. I'd be riding dirty. Burn myself definitely a couple times. But you grab it and then you pull down. To make it tight, I literally hold on to the curl, and then when you drop it, boom, the curl, let me put my thing down, the curl should look like this. At the end, we are going to absolutely pick it out with our hair. We're not gonna comb it out because we want it still defined. So I'm gonna do another one, maybe the other side so y'all can see. Yeah, and you're gonna curl away from your face, you know? So grab this, go like this. So on the other side, which is my right side, it's a little harder to go away from your face. So I still kind of put it under, if you feel me. Wrap it around, pinch the hair as you're doing it so that it's not like loose, but it's tighter. Then until you get to the end, be careful of your fingers now because you will burn yourself. Then you let the curl go. Hold it for like 6 to 10 seconds. Let the curl go, hold it, hold it, hold it. Then you drop it. And it should look like this, right? So boom. The back again, we don't gotta go ham. I'm gonna fast forward now so that we can get this process going. And I can show you at the ending. Now, I did want to come back and show y'all the back. I don't really know how I'm going to position this to properly show you. I'm going to do the other side and show you. But we do here, same thing. It's a little tricky on the back. You know, got to make sure it tightens up a little bit. Hope you guys are enjoying my British accent. Switch the hair. The back is fairly easy. Gonna grab probably an inch of hair for sure. You want to make sure you get every single piece out. See, burn my finger. Don't worry about perfection in the back. It's not going to be perfect, and that's okay. So we are back and we're pretty much at the end of the journey. It literally took me probably 10 minutes to curl this hair. The front of your head is super important, y'all, because this gives the definition, makes it look like, well, it is coming out of my scalp, but like really makes it look like this is your natural curl pattern, which it is not. My curl pattern is a lot. But it's not like this. So you're gonna I like to take a smaller pieces in the front, just because we want the curl to look like it's literally our natural curl pattern. Well, for me, you can do as you please. But as for me and my house, this is what we gonna do. And you see, I'm not even done yet. Okay, we're gonna do a cute little tricksy just to make sure everything is good. Ow, burnt myself. See, be careful, y'all. These things are like hot. Fry an egg on this. Lord. perfection is not the goal. A lot of the curls at the top will hide the curls a lot of the curls at the top will hide the imperfections at the bottom of your head. So do not worry about every curl coming out in a perfect spiral. If you want to, you could do that for sure. But I realized that like it still looks great even if every curl is not curled to perfection. Alright, y'all. So we're back. The curls are pretty much done. We're about to do the final pizzazz, and then your hair is going to be popping. What I do is I separate the curls essentially. Now, a lot of people like to use oil. You can use olive oil, argan oil, whatever oil you want to use. I am not, and that helps with frizziness, but I'm not going to use oil because I don't have any. So I'm just going to separate with my hair strand by strand just to make the hair. You can make it as big, or you can literally, this is cute too. Like this is chill. Like you don't even got to do the most. Like this looks great, but I like big hair. So at the moment, right? So you literally take a piece of it, and then you pull it. Don't comb through. You can comb through, but combing through will give it more of a frizzy look. And we do not want frizzy. We want voluminous, beautiful curls. So, and then you do that all around your head. See the difference? And then this is a little flatter. Just do the same thing over here. Alright, so puff it up, puff it up, puff it up. Now, you can go like this, but I see a little area right here where it looks straight, then curly. I don't like that. So, because again, I like for it to look like, oh, this girl curl pattern literally looks like it's coming out her scalp, just like that. So I'm literally gonna take the section at the top of the head and curly, 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 curly. And this, you can hold on a little tighter. Pull it down, squeeze it, like pinch it like a pin curl. That's the word, pin curl that John. Then do it for all the parts that look like straight then curly. Is as good as it's gonna get for today. Hoocha. So this is the final look essentially. I think it's pretty fire. I love it how it came out. I hope yours came out just as bomb as this look. Please let me know in the comment section if this look helped you out. Share this, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. In my next video, hair tutorial, I'll show you how to do this with flexi rods, which is good for my girls who don't like to put heat in their hair. But yeah, this is giving. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you guys. I thank you guys for your support. And I hope you have a great rest of the day, rest of the week, whatever time you're watching this. God bless you. Grace and peace.